All right, welcome back, everybody. 6:44. We're working on 6:45 in just about 10 seconds here, and a little bit of sunshine working on through these clouds at this point. Not a whole lot, but increasing amounts of sun to be seen between now and 9:24. That is our sunset time for this June 21st, and the visible satellite imagery confirming just that. We're starting to reveal a little bit more of the black color in the background, and that is the satellite showing down to the Earth, which is what we want to see. Get rid of those clouds that we've had all day today and those deeper, darker shades of gray. Yeah, keeping it quite chilly, along with those northwest winds just plowing in at about 15 to 25, gusting to 35, even 40 miles per hour or so. At times, live radar doesn't have anything going on. We'll widen the scope, and you'll notice that there are still a fair amount of clouds over the state of Michigan, but that visible satellite imagery indicating a little bit more positivity than this particular perspective. Folks, over in the Chicago area, did you hear an EF3 tornado yesterday evening? The Woodridge, I believe that's what it is, Woodridge, the name of a city, and Naperville. Checking in with an EF3 tornado. Only 2% of tornadoes get to that strength, and it occurred yesterday in northeast Illinois with wind speeds between about 136 and 165 miles per hour. So a major tornado coming through the Chicagoland area. I believe a major tornado is classified as EF4, EF5, the terminology, but that's major enough. EF3 there. Nothing recorded here in West Michigan as far as confirmed tornadoes. The severe weather outlook over towards the East Coast for this evening. The cool air coming out of Canada today. And as I mentioned on the 10 o'clock show last night, no joke was this air mass, and I think you can confirm that those words are correct. It was a cool late June day today. Mid to upper 50s in our northern sections, lower half of the 60s for most hours today overhead in GR and towards the lakeshore. And only marginally milder down to the south, feeling even cooler because of those northwest winds. Those winds will subside for the overnight as clouds begin to dissipate. So clouds dissipating, we've got clearer skies coming about, winds lightening up, and a dry air mass. Folks, the mercury dropping into the low to mid 40s. It looks like by daybreak tomorrow morning with this low pressure overhead, though. There's still this trough for Tuesday and Wednesday. We will build, especially late morning and afternoon clouds could pop a very rare shower. So coverage won't be great, and anything that would come out of these clouds the next couple of days be very light, but just nuisance variety, I think, from time to time Tuesday and Wednesday. Some warming does return briefly on Thursday, out ahead of a cold front that will arrive overnight into Friday morning. So that'll surge us back into the low to mid 80s briefly. New showers and storms on Friday. I'm not looking for severe weather necessarily, but some heavier downpours certainly possible there Friday morning and afternoon. Goes drier, I think, Saturday and Sunday. Some of these latest model runs trying to hang up this front down to the south, so not a complete certainty that it's going to be dry on especially Saturday, but I think the odds are that it will settle far enough southward to keep the rain into northern Indiana. Stay tuned on that Saturday forecast. However, future track model, run it out in motion. Clouds shriveling up. We go mostly clear here by mid to late evening. That'll carry into the overnight. Then watch this RPM model through tomorrow morning. Does begin to flare a couple green colors out there. So it is possible late morning and afternoon we could see a shower. Certainly may indeed get that. It wouldn't last long, wouldn't be heavy, and mainly away from the lakeshore because you get that stable layer coming in on a west breeze, lake breeze during the afternoon. Future track model here does carry forth from tomorrow and into Wednesday when we've got another outside shot for a pop-up shower. That'll be very minor. It's the system on Friday. This wave of green colors, even yellow colors, some heavier downpours perhaps there Friday morning into the afternoon, and then that heads southward, I do believe, over the weekend. 7-day forecast. Derek and Janice, no big heat waves. If you're going to the pool, going to the beach, it'll be cool. Upper 70s over the weekend.
Yeah, very cool for June standards. Anthony, thanks. Still ahead, we're going